Yeah, with a lot of stickers. With 3 sticker sheets. So I guess maybe I won't just use all of them. But I will try my best to do the set. Okay. And wait. Yes. What's going on? Why the window is so hard? Yeah. Okay. The window is tilted. Really? Let me take a look. And who needs coffee? Here's a coffee machine. Okay, there. Hello, Olinka. How are you? My favorite mocha flavor. Nice. So guys, do I need to zoom in a little? Because those cakes are so tiny. I was afraid you guys could not see how realistic they are. And now it's good. Okay. Oh, cupcake. Oh my god, this is my dream place. I can imagine how happy I will be if I'm the owner of this cake shop. Oh, thank you, G. Thank you, my J. Eh? Why? There's a gap between them. Oh, cupcakes. Imagine all that for. Oh, that situation only appear in my dream. Yeah. Today's special. This. Okay. It makes me hungry now. Me too. Because Becky's on me. Oh my god. You're so sweet. And with these pastries, the stuff even smaller. It's hard to see. And this stuff. Alright. Forgot the baking brown. Hello, that gentle and Mia. Hello, Ella. It's so nice. And if you guys love this kind of style, you can feel free to go for it. Okay, you. Another vibrant after that. Another. Oh, I just have another one just sitting like that. I need this variant. Yeah, I have the tailor shop. You like to check yourself. Good night. Thank you, sweetie. And the door. It's just so cute. Hmm? Yes, I was surgery, sweetie. Hmm? This rug is wonky, though. And there's on my protective fingertip. That sounds cute. Hmm? Boy, because do you think those counters are good or not? I feel like the counters won't. Thank you, my clear key. I should replace them. Oh. But Sina is not bad. Oh, you love this sound. Yes, only English, thank you. My favorite part. You will do the same, okay? Of course. Like that. So we're coming every day. Maybe there are some friends just curious. What are they? And what I'm doing? Those are 3D stickers. And if you guys want to grab them, you can join my board. So satisfying. Wait. In my board, there are over, I guess for now, 300 different packs. You guys to pick. Nice. What about you? What can you show out you? See? Just using 3 fingers. Terry, thank you. I know how much you guys want to say. The zombie set. Those egg tarts. Guys, today on 100 likes, there will be a zombie set. So let's keep typing. As they already. But trust we can just make that go. Is that? Babe. You can join my board to say. Hey, yeah. Oh, wait. Hello, Toka. Oh my god, almost 40 likes. Can't wait the instruction. Yes. Yes, I swear, lady. Not too close. But actually, I do recommend you bees to try this set. Because this set is so hard. But if there are some friends, wanna challenge yourself, you can go this one. The next one, maybe later you guys can pick. When I almost gonna finish the set. Okay. And this part. No, it's not. It's in my board actually. Babe, do you think should I just put this plant outside like this way or just inside in the corner? Outside or inside? Hey, thank you, Selena. Outside is fine. Okay. But McKelly said maybe inside. How about other friends think? Oh, there are lots of cakes. Hello, Dana. How are you? Strawberry. Wow, there's so many strawberry sweet cakes. Hey, Lily. Still think you have, yeah, you need some patience. Boy, you don't need to watch just a little bit. It's enough. When you finish 1 or 2 pack, you'll feel so much good. That is a special feeling. No other stuff can replace. Okay. Perfect. It is the key. I love Burger King. Actually, I enjoy my board. You know? Pink stuff. Hey, thank you, Dana. Thank you, Selena. If there are some friends want to challenge yourself, this set is called Big Cakes. Hey there, Victoria. How are you? Is this shelf good or wonky? I feel like that was wonky. No, 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 no. Okay. So this is good. I think you're ready. Strawberry one. What's my favorite flavor? Okay, now everything is good, right? Nothing's wonky. You know, I guess maybe there are some friends when they just watch my live stream. They're also planning to grab some cakes. God, those cakes are so vivid. Even takes a finger hearts, Victoria. Sure, cake party. Nope. And now this part doesn't fit properly. Hmm? Okay. Hmm? Okay, nice. No, no, no. My favorite one. Wow, it's so hard to even pick one. Eh? Eat this one, kid. Wait this more. Don't push me to use my hack. Okay, we're down. Like this. Now it's perfect. Hey, DG. You're doing. It is. Yeah, nothing can be Mac. Even the huge stuff. 9:47, yeah. Feeling more than 1 hour already. That is a huge set. Nice and huge. Oh, I need. Two layers of birthday cake. Okay. Cover. Oh, it's Christmas Eve in the. Oh, your favorite? I thought your favorite was Creek House. My sister. No, they're playing. I absolutely love that one. Mocha cake. Cake. You're excited for the zombie one. Me too. But Doria, why don't you like do the zombie set? They're so sick. So guys, here's the big cakes. F down. I do use all the stickers because I feel like that's enough. And I can't wait to show you guys the next set.